I didn't always have these powers. I used to be a normal guy, living from day to day, just like everybody else. Never knowing when the next mistake would catch me. Then one day, I went online and discovered something that changed my life forever. Mudra band, they called it, and it already actually worked. I got it, unboxed it, and swapped out my regular Apple Watch band for the Mudra band. Suddenly, nothing was the same. I gained powers beyond my wildest dreams. All of reality was at my fingertips. And all I had to do was make little gestures. Yeah, life is sweet. This is Mudra band, the world's first wrist-worn brain-to-device interface. And yes, it already actually works. The Mudra band connects to your Apple Watch. Using neural technology, it translates your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. By capturing subtle finger movements, the Mudra band lets you touchlessly interact with your watch using just one hand. No needs to pause, look at the display, or engage your other hand. Setting it up is as simple as it gets. Connect your Mudra band and watch through Bluetooth and start enjoying limitless freedom. We need your help to make the Mudra band widely available so that everyone could experience what it's like to have superpowers. We hope you'll join us. Thank you.
The virus has now spread to 62 countries.
Do you know where the dirtiest place in your house is?
The kitchen sink can have up to 500,000.
96% of shoes were found to have fecal matter.
And billions of bacteria.
Mold is actually a
Quarantine
cluster of towns. Restrictions will be in place across the United States.
Do you think your surroundings are clean? There are more than 800 million viruses and bacteria around you every day. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. Introducing MediQ. 100% no alcohol, non-toxic, sterilizing and deodorizing device that will replace all your household cleaning products. Confused if your cleaning devices might be harmful to your children or pets? Worried if it is toxic on vegetables and fruits? MediQ is 100% alcohol-free and non-toxic. You can use MediQ almost everywhere. Use it to wash your fruits, clean your toilet, children's toys, and sterilize your dog's bed. It also works as a deodorizer. MediQ applies electrolysis on salt and water, producing a hypochlorous acid that is similar to bleach. It can kill germs and bacteria, but as it is completely natural, it is also suitable for cleaning baby items and food. FDA has certified that hypochlorous acid is safe for cleaning food. We have also performed various lab testings and proven that MediQ can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria. MediQ is extremely easy to use. Add tap water, add salt, press the button and wait for a few minutes. After a while, your MediQ solution is ready to use. It's that easy. MediQ, fast sterilizing antivirus device.
Want better photos and videos? You need better light. With functional design inspired by professional film lighting, Big Soft is a powerful, softly diffused mobile light for your phone, laptop and camera. I've been in the film and TV industry for over 10 years, working on commercial sets across Australia and the US. In photography, anytime we add a light source, we also add a shadow. On a film set, we'll always work with the biggest, softest light possible to soften any shadows and make sure people always look their best. My name's Al Morrow, I'm a TV commercial director, photographer, and I'm the creator of Big Softy. I first got the idea for Big Softy after watching a friend trying over and over again to take a nice photo with the flash on their phone. The problem with mobile flashes is they're a small single point LED that throws a really hard focused light. But the inbuilt diffusion designed in Big Softy reduces the harshness of these shadows, giving a softer look to your photos and video. The selfie flash is no better. Its dim output affects the camera's ability to focus, giving you blurry photos. We wanted to design a product that was powerful, that had lovely soft diffusion built in a small, lightweight package that was really easy to use. To get this done, we worked with the team at Veer Design.
The thing that struck us with working with Al was that he knows everything about light, and he had that expertise in photography. The bulk of our work is based in material and user experimentation, developing cameras and camera housings for the likes of Sony. We've developed some products for Intel.
The big idea that Al had when he came to us with Big Softy was professional film lighting principles in a small module.
I think this will probably be our 7th crowdfunded product. When we're designing a product, they're fully de-risked, properly designed and manufactured.
People have been making mobile content for over a decade now, and over that period of time, the cameras on our phones have gotten so much better, but the lighting options haven't.
That's what Big Softy offers you, is that next step. Professional quality lighting in a small package.
Over 18 months, Big Softy's evolved through a range of designs as we fine-tuned the product. At each step, we user tested and ran focus groups to find out what people really wanted from a good mobile light. We explored silicone cases, magnet blocks, universal clips, rubber lug attachments, even a metal arm and shoe style mount. But over 85% of you asked for the versatility of a clip-on design that we're now taking to market on Kickstarter. Designed with high CRI bi-colour LEDs and our inbuilt diffusion panel, Big Softy delivers near-perfect colour reproduction. The 3 colour settings offer the versatility of tungsten, daylight and a clean white mix to match all lighting environments. The custom lithium-ion battery gives long-lasting power, and the USB-C port allows operation while charging, so it can run on mains power if needed. Our universal clip design fits all leading smartphone and laptop brands, and the custom hinge lets you offset Big Softy to fit any camera position and adjust the angle of light by up to 45 degrees. And the cold shoe attachment with 1/4-inch thread fits to your traditional camera and lighting stands for stunning soft-lit video and photos. Incredibly, Big Softy weighs just 50 grams. For reference, the iPhone X weighs 177 grams. Big Softy is so light, you really won't know you're carrying it. Big Softy is ready. We have our manufacturing partnerships in place and are ready to greenlight production. We now need your support to help make it a reality. The funds raised here will help pay for initial tooling costs, raw materials, and create a big enough volume to produce the first run. In return, you'll receive this high-quality mobile lighting unit before anyone else and at the best price we'll ever be able to offer. So make your photos and videos better with our film-inspired lighting. Click through and help us make Big Softy a reality. And please share our project with others to help them get our professional lighting principles into their pockets. Back our campaign today and help us bring better lighting for better photos to photographers all over the world. Bigger, softer, Big Softy.
We're just going to do a balance test. We're going to test you before and after wearing the towel patch.
Okay, I'm excited.
Okay. Nothing that I can do.
Oh my god, I'm like a rock.
We maxed out the...
That's crazy.
So all from that little thing.
That's amazing. I was so much lighter earlier.
Right?
Yeah. My head is actually does feel like it got quieter.
You just put one here and you just walk around with it all day long. That's actually pretty awesome.
I feel like I just had a cup of coffee or an espresso or something. I want to like lift cars off of people.
Can I keep it?
If there's any way to try them longer, that would be awesome.
I'll take this home with me.
Our lifestyle today is very different from what it's naturally supposed to be. We sit on chairs for 8 hours. We work indoors without seeing the sunlight. We are bombarded with electromagnetic radiation 24/7. This can cause our neuromuscular system to get out of balance. The effects of this can be seen in the exponential increase of chronic pain and bad posture. Do you know that $86 billion is spent every year on back pain and postural issues in the US alone?
So the question is, how can we reprogram our body? How can we help our body regain its natural state of alignment?
Tau Patch is a patented nanotechnology device that sends photons of therapeutic light into specific points on your body. These photons are similar to the ones your cells use to communicate with each other. They stimulate your central nervous system and streamline its communication with the rest of your body. The health benefits are immediate, lasting, and measurable. The first thing you can notice and measure after a few minutes is an improvement in your posture, balance, and movements. This upgraded communication between your central and peripheral nervous system leads to a surprising number of health benefits, like helping with joint and muscle pain, better sleep and focus, emotional rebalance, and athletic performance.
Several sports teams use Towel Patch to boost their performance and recovery. In fact, some of them don't want us to mention their names so their rivals don't find out their secret. The most dramatic effects can be seen in patients with multiple sclerosis and other neuromuscular disorders. Towel Patch is the only technology that has been shown to improve their mobility.
In Europe, we are using Towel Patch through a network of more than 1,600 doctors. It's fully backed by scientific evidence. We've conducted several double-blind studies at major European universities, validating and measuring its incredible power. And now we're ready to bring it to America.
Towel Patch works for 2 years. It's waterproof. It doesn't release any chemicals. It doesn't need batteries because it uses the heat of your body. Some of Towel Patch's frequencies are used in ultra-low-level laser therapy, which is very expensive and can only be used in clinical settings. But with Towel Patch, you can benefit from it 24/7.
Most importantly, Towel Patch doesn't mask the symptoms. It allows your body to reprogram itself and remember its natural capability of alignment. Don't get stuck in the past. Join the future of wellness with Towel Patch, your groundbreaking human upgrade device.